Your certified most accurate four-zone weather with meteorologist Jeanette Calle.
Jeanette, seeing those pictures from the helicopter is devastating. Just to see that storm damage. It looks like a hurricane or tornado damage, but really it's storms and heavy rain.
And hopefully things will let up a little bit today.
Well, there's actually more rain that's headed towards that area today. That region was able to see a break yesterday. However, there are some showers nearby, and as the day goes on, we could see some thunderstorms in portions of the western hill country, specifically around Kerr County. But yes, the images really paint the picture now of just the strength of a river. We saw on Friday morning just how strong the Guadalupe River was, and that was all from just the river. No tornado, no hurricane, just all the strength of the Guadalupe. Let's take a look at the satellite and radar composite. There is a flood watch for a few counties in our viewing area. This has been extended. It goes until 1 o'clock this afternoon, but I won't be surprised if that gets extended even further through the later afternoon hours, and we'll talk more about that coming up. Right now, I am noticing just some very isolated shower activity, most of which is moving to the west from Kendall County to eastern Kerr County and now over Bandera County. Very isolated farther towards the south. Nothing more than a few sprinkles here in San Antonio through this early Sunday. Here is one heavier shower that's sitting there over far southern Kendall County. This is well to the west and south of Bernie and I-10. But as you can see, this isn't moving very fast, and this is going to be a concern because these pockets of heavier showers and perhaps storms later in the day don't move fast. That could quickly cause some flooding. No major flooding this morning, but it's something that we are going to be watching. Farther north outside of our viewing area, I am noticing a flood advisory, also a flash flood warning now for the Mason area with this slow-moving thunderstorm that does have some pockets of very heavy rain. Looks like that's starting to move off towards the south, approaching I-10, so I'll closely watch that. Over portions of southern Medina County, there is one heavy downpour that's to the south of Uvalde, and you can see some patchy light rain across southern Uvalde County, that too moving off towards the west and southwest. Here is the flood watch. Again, this runs until 1 o'clock this afternoon, talking a general 2 to 4 inches. Additionally, isolated amounts, 5+ inches. This is where flooding is possible. So a watch means the possibility. However, when warnings are issued, that means that the threat for flooding is increasing.